let me show you how well this jetted tub cleaner works. You get a ton of it, and I love that it's made in the USA. And it really is designed to clean out your jets, deodorize, and protect. Super easy to use. Basically, you want to fill up your water above your jet, so make sure it's all the way full. Shake the bottle real well, and then you just add about 4 ounces, or at least for how big my hot tub is, that's what I want to add. And what's really nice is along the side of the bottle, it actually has the measurement, so I can just do it from the bottle itself. Once the cleaner is in, give it 15 to 20 minutes, and I cannot get over how much this suds up. It has way more bubbles than any other jetted tub cleaner I've used, and it really got out a lot of gunk. I am really good at cleaning my tub. I wash it every 3 to 5 months, and you can still see all of this gunk coming out of it, and I was not getting that with my last jetted tub cleaner, so I'm really impressed with this brand. Once that all comes out, as you can see, you can strain that off the top, and that really helps. And then you want to empty your tub. So make sure to turn it off, get in there, open up the hose valve to drain it. I'm draining it straight into a sewer drain. And then I like to take the foam off the top to start, and while the tub is emptying, I will do occasional wipes as I don't want any of that gunk to dry on the sides. And then my tub is perfect and it's ready to refill. Absolutely love this cleaner.